little chippies that this tool is leaving behind, wet saw. And I think it's just because it's not one of those super expensive wet saws. I've learned that this sanding grit sanding stone helps smooth it out. All right, we've got our mortar. It has been shellacked. It's ready to go. It's dripping at the right consistency. We've got all our placements for the window tiles. Now we're just gonna put them up. All right, tile under the windowsill is up. The mortar is almost gone. And I think we're gonna call it. Okay, so I've got the tile outside, the tile saw outside, because it's a bit messy inside, and I've already cleaned up. I have a feeling it's gonna go back in, but for now it's cleaned up, and it's also quite wet. So we're gonna make a makeshift little smock here, so I'm making myself pretty soaked doing this. All right, here we go. Okay, pretty perfect. Now I just need to get where the cover plate screws are and take that hole out. Okay, so this is how I take apart just brakes. And then you come in, and I'm not going to do this one-handed. You come in with the saw and you just even that out, and there you go. There's your outlet. Tiling project, and now I've already got the tile cut out all square, but now I need to figure out where the screw goes. I know that I can just give that another centimeter of clearance right there. So I'm just gonna cut teensy little centimeter right there. Now I can start placing get some mortar out and start placing the tile. I've already done all those cutouts. And we're now on the third layer, so I'm gonna have to get that mortared in before I can cut out the top third. Convenient. This is square. This side is not square. I actually had to cut. All right. Next, this is our second time. We just want a teensy bit of mortar today. I thought I was gonna do the big project. Apparently I'm only gonna do little projects at a time. All right, day 3, another hour. We did this row and we did that row. Cut out the outlets, clean that up so I can use it again tomorrow.